Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. You are watching 4Tech. So I stuck on the Exynos C05 from the last 1 month. After that, OnePlus made lots of blunders and released several Exynos versions from the C06 to C08. But lots of people like me didn't got any of these updates, but finally I managed to get the latest OTA of Exynos 12 C09. Actually, I think some users on the C05 also now getting this update, but what I did, I first downgraded to the Exynos 820 Android 11 version. At the end of the video, I have given downgrade process, you can follow that. And then I got the full OTA of 4.69 GB. If you are on any version of Exynos 12, then you may get this direct incremental OTA update of small size. You can also use the OnePlus Exynos Updater application from the Play Store. There you can get the OTA C09 update notification along with its changelog respective to which version of Exynos you are using. So today in this video, we'll see the changelog of new OTA, new changes that I found after C05, its CPU performance and the thermal performance which has the shocking results. I also shown bugs and how you can downgrade from the C09 to the Exynos 11. So watch the video till the end. Now without further ado, let's get started.
On a new adventure.
I completed the download and restarted the phone to flash the new OTA. Phone took at least 8 to 10 minutes to completely flash the new OTA. This update process will not wipe the data after completing the system update finishing. Now let's jump to the about phone. Here you can check we are upgraded to the latest Exynos C09, Exynos 12.1, Android 12. There is a 3-dot menu. Here you get the local update option to manually install any OTA or the downgrade packages. It has same old Android 12 Easter egg. Security patch is upgraded to latest September 2022. Build number is C09 except that all the details are same like old update. Let's check some changes that I found after the C05, especially in the personalization setting. Here in the always on display and under the display setting, now get the new toggle move device to show fingerprint icon. This will help to show you the fingerprint icon on the lock screen when you are not using the always on display. We just need to slightly move the device to check the fingerprint icon. Another toggle is the fast unlock. This will constantly show you the fingerprint icon even if the AOD screen is off, but this will battery consuming like the always on display. In the same personalization setting under the fingerprint animation, we already seen lots of fingerprint animations, but the icons of all these new animations are now available on the always on display. Previously only simple icon was seen on the AOD or the lock screen. Under the quick setting, we get the different custom shapes like the square oval for the quick setting tiles. Under the colors tab, we get the bunch of the different accent colors for the whole system. This will help to give the different accent color instead of material hue colors, and it looks amazing on the AMOLED screen of Note 2. In quick setting panel, we get the new user icon. If you tap on it, you will get the list of all the users of device. In the recent panel for the recent screen of the different application, now get the hide content option which will hide all the details of recent screen, so you can hide any sensitive content of your currently running or the recently used applications. Some different customizations are now available under the launcher setting. New Exynos launcher in the Exynos 12 has the double tap on the home screen to turn off the screen toggle. There is new option to enable the direct search when you slide down notification panel on the home screen from the top of the screen. This will give you the access to quick search instead of notification panel. Another toggle is raise to wake the device. This will help to quickly check the phone notification on the lock screen by just raising your phone, so the display will wake and you can check the notification. Another new setting is available to add the RAM available in the recent panel. Icon pull down setting is the another new setting on the home screen of launcher, in which you have to slide from the edges of the screen to center and drag it to the any application. They will get open and can be closed by swiping back. Actually, I don't found any usefulness in this feature. So these are some changes I found. Maybe you are already familiar with these. Now it's time to check the performance of new update. Overall, I felt the new update working very smooth and fast. After running the Geekbench for the CPU performance, I got the score of 804 for the single core and 2706 for the multi-core, which is pretty decent score. Later, I enabled the performance mode in the battery setting and then ran the Geekbench and I got the score of 845 and 3228 respectively. This is the massive improvement, so my recommendation is to use the performance mode while using the heavy tasks like the gaming, and while using the simple tasks use the normal mode. While on the OpenGL drivers I got the score of 5.62. This is the massive result, and definitely this will help to improve the real life gaming performance. On the Vulkan Graphics API I got the score of 5.725, which is also very good score, closer to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Though CPU performance of the CPU seen very good, but for the thermal results I got big disappointment that I never seen on OnePlus Nord 2. I used the CPU throttle app and set it 20 threads along with the CPU temperature option enabled in the setting. Then I started the test. Until the 4 minutes result seems okay, but after 4 minutes there is a massive drop in the graph was started, as you can check on the screen. CPU temperature raised to 45 degrees Celsius, which is not heavy. Still the CPU throttling was started. When I stopped the test, I got the score of 68% maximum CPU throttling, and it is the lowest result till the date I have seen after purchasing the Nord 2. But I didn't believe the score, so I thought something was gone wrong. To check that, I cooled down the device for the few minutes until temperature came down to 38 degrees Celsius. One more time I ran the test and I got the same score near to the 68%, and it's a big disappointment. Actually, you will not feel the side effects of these results in the simple task, but while using the heavy tasks like the games, you may feel CPU throttle and decrease in the performance of the device. When I tested the screen touch sampling rate using the Android application, I got the same result that I got on the Exynos 11. More dotted line means the device has the low touch screen sampling rate. Let's check out the major bug of new OTA, which was still persist in all the Exynos 12 build. You will not get the fast boot mode on this build also. When you try to boot in a fast boot mode, you get the verification failed. I don't know what's wrong with the OnePlus, why they are behaving like this for the Nord devices, as my 980 also got such issue at the starting of Exynos 12 build, but now they brought back the fast boot mode in the latest stable builds. In camera, still the OnePlus didn't implement the 4K 60fps recording, it still has only 30 fps, but they fixed a front camera not working issue while using the video calls. Another issue is regarding the MTK client. Device is not detecting in the MTK client. It's showing the handshake error every time, so if something goes wrong and your device got breaker, then you may not able to revive the phone. Only option remains at you is the service center. But the good news is that if you don't like the Exynos 12C09, then you can downgrade the device to the Exynos 11 directly by using the old downgrade package given under the video description. Just download and place it in the root of the storage, rename it to the .zip extension, then go to the about phone. There from the 3-dot menu, tap local install and select the downgrade file. System will start to verify and show the details about the downgrade package. It is the Exynos 11 A19 version. Once verified, you can tap install and phone reboots and finally boots with the wiping data. After reboot, if you check the about phone, here you can see I downgraded to the Exynos 11 A19 again. On this version, fast boot mode is working, so you can flash the TWRP and custom ROMs also. I didn't test the battery performance of the new C09, but I will report back to you after 2 to 3 days of battery cycle with the community post. That's it for today guys. If you think I help you, then please do like and share this video, subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for the notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. Until then, signing off. Take care. Bye bye.